So here's how to favorite games on Roblox. So this guide works on mobile and PC, and it's easy. So first you need to open Roblox and now click home. Now go to any games or experiences that you would like to favorite. For example, this volleyball legends. Click on the three dots inside that circle and then choose favorite. Click on it. Then once the star is black, it means it's added to the favorites list. Now to access your favorites list, you can simply click on more here and then profile and then scroll down till you see view full profile button. Click on it. And now in the profile section, scroll down to favorites. And here you can see all your favorite games or experiences, or you can also click on favorites here. And it should bring a list of all the favorites, including places or experiences. And as you can see, my favorites under places section, I can see all the experiences I put to favorite list. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.